Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make crab easy method. Start by prepping the crab and setting up a large pot with a steaming rack, 1 inch of water, and a lid. Steam based on size, then shock and ice to stop cooking and make cleaning simple. Finish with gentle seasoning like melted butter and lemon for a quick, delicious result you can serve right away. Steaming keeps crab meat tender and prevents overcooking while making shells easier to crack and meat easier to remove. Match timing to crab size so you don't dry out the meat, and use minimal water to avoid boiling. Toss in aromatics like bay leaves or lemon for gentle flavor, then cool briefly to handle. Extract meat with shears or picks for clean, juicy chunks ready for butter or salads. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while cracking crab and cleaning up because shell work makes you thirsty. If you like reliable bottles, check out the Oala water bottle for leak-proof sipping and easy one-handed use. It keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders, making kitchen cleanup breaks more pleasant. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Crack legs and claws carefully to preserve large chunks of meat and prevent shell fragments. Use kitchen shears and a small pick to work methodically and get every last piece from legs and joints. For body meat, split the shell, remove in sections, and clean out gills and cartilage before rinsing lightly. Combine the meat gently with drawn butter or mayo for crab cakes, salads, or simple dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.